Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with M1 Finance, beginner guide step by step. Start by downloading the M1 Finance app from your device's app store or access the website on your computer. Open the app or website and create an account by providing your email and setting up a password. Follow the prompts to complete your profile, including your investment goals and risk tolerance. Verify your identity by providing the necessary personal information, such as your social security number and address. Once your account is set up and verified, fund your account by linking your bank account and transferring initial funds. Explore the M1 Finance platform to familiarize yourself with its features and layout. Navigate to the Invest section to begin creating your investment portfolio. Choose from pre-built portfolios, known as pies, or create your own custom pie. If opting for a custom pie, start by selecting the individual stocks or ETFs you wish to include. Allocate your desired percentage to each asset within your pie, ensuring it aligns with your investment strategy. Review your pie to confirm all selections and allocations are correct. Once satisfied, click on the Create Pie button to finalize your investment. Set up automatic contributions if you'd like to invest regularly, ensuring a consistent approach to your portfolio growth. Monitor your investments through the dashboard, where you can track performance and adjust your pie as needed. Learn about rebalancing your portfolio periodically to maintain your desired asset allocation over time. Utilize M1 Finance's educational resources to deepen your understanding of investing strategies and market trends. Stay engaged with your portfolio to make informed decisions based on market performance and your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.